This is the ASUS ZenBook Flip S. It combines an extremely thin and versatile form factor with lots of power. The fully reversible hinge makes the ZenBook Flip S useful in a variety of situations. When tilted back, the two-step ErgoLift hinge props up the ZenBook Flip S. This provides a gentle tilt for more comfortable typing. Not only is this the most compact switch hinge ASUS has ever engineered, but it's been tested to a tolerance of 20,000 cycles. The ZenBook Flip S is built for life on the move. A slim profile makes it easy to bring along wherever you go. Not only does the premium aerospace-grade aluminum alloy look great, but it can effortlessly handle daily wear and tear. This is the slimmest ASUS convertible with a 4K display. Enjoy every detail with crystal clarity. The super slim bezel pares away all distractions. A generous screen-to-body ratio provides more screen without additional bulk. TrueVivid construction significantly reduces screen glare. The protective Corning Gorilla Glass layer is bonded directly to the LCD display and touch panel, increasing brightness by up to 8%. Interact with your world naturally with direct touch input. The ZenBook Flip S has twice the standard precision thanks to high-fidelity touch actuators. The ASUS Pen is perfect for artistic projects. Fold back the ZenBook Flip S and sketch, take notes, or edit photos with absolute precision. Windows Ink provides a full suite of software tools to make the most out of your stylus. The trackpad hosts advanced touch technology too. Precision Touchpad Plus builds on Windows 10 PTP with faster reaction times, broader application support, and handwriting recognition. The keyboard is where your words come alive. Ample key travel and generous cap size make typing comfortable. Tucked away on the side is a fingerprint sensor. This lets you log in quickly and securely using Windows Hello. This positioning is flexible enough for both laptop and tablet modes. At the heart of the ZenBook Flip S is an Intel Core i7 processor with up to 16 GB of RAM. Combined with up to 1 TB of PCIe SSD storage, you'll have all of the power you need to get things done. The capable battery lasts up to 11.5 hours, which is more than enough for a full day of work. When you don't have a lot of time to top up, the ZenBook Flip S can go from 0 to 60% charge in 49 minutes over USB-C. Two USB-C ports provide flexible connectivity. Charging the ZenBook Flip S itself, other devices, and transferring data quickly are all accomplished with the same port. The ZenBook Flip S delivers the slimmest form factor for a convertible PC to date. Visit techandstyle.asus.com to learn more. The ASUS ZenBook Flip S, powered by Intel Core i7 processors.